Do you want to learn the skill of painting in the comfort of your own home? Would you like to be guided gently and slowly throughout the process, step by step? And would you like to recreate a famous painting in the simplest way possible? If yes, then I have designed this course especially for you. I will help you produce the best results possible with zero experience required. I'd like to invite you to take part in this course, How to Paint Kandinsky's Winter Landscape from 1909. This course is divided into 3 lessons: drawing, painting and texture. I'll show you some simple and easy techniques for absolute beginners. In this course you'll learn many techniques, including how to break down a painting in simple sections so it's easy to draw, painting techniques such as how and when to apply pressure, and how to create texture to add a completely new dimension to your work. I'll give you my knowledge and skill from over 10 years experience of teaching painting to adults and children, and I'll help you to create a painting that you can be proud of. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below and I'll see you there.